What's up, people? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tyrana here, and today I'm bringing you another video all about why I started my YouTube channel. Not only I will tell you about why I started my YouTube channel, but also I will share with you the mistakes that I made so far and the struggle that I'm still going through. So if it's something you want to know more about, stick around. Welcome back, guys. So today's video we're talking about why I started my YouTube channel. Before we get into it, I would like to remind you to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet and hit the notification button so you cannot miss all the juicy content that I will be posting. Let's crack on. So for those who does not know, I am a singer-songwriter as well, and the reason why I started this channel in the first place was because I was thinking of how I could get my music out there. After my first single release, I didn't do anything with my channel, not because I didn't want to, but because I didn't know that it gives me more than just sharing my music, that I could do a lot with my channel. After that, I released my poem, my spoken words. When people started asking me about my spoken words, is it a true story, why did you write that, how did you got the inspiration to write the poem, I felt the need to answer and not just replying to one person, because it means I'm gonna reply to this person and that person and that person and that person. I just thought, look, I'm going to make a video and I'm just gonna post it about why I wrote the poem. I am a very private person. I am so private, like it's a problem. Anyway, for me to come and open myself like that, it was a big step. It was like, wow, I don't believe I'm saying all these things, but I had to do it. I had to answer to my fan and tell them why I wrote the poem, and that was the problem. Like, I thought, oh my god, how am I gonna do this? I've never been in front of the camera like this and just start talking randomly like that. Like, I've never done this before. I've never done this before. If you go back and watch my first videos about why I wrote the poem, and it's actually in my channel, you can see how uncomfortable I was in front of the camera. Not just because I was talking about myself, I was talking about things that are personal to me. I was opening up. Not only I was talking about those things that are really private to me, but also it was my first time. Like, mix those two together, that's the worst combination. You have to start somewhere, isn't it? You know, and that was the starting point for me. It was a rough starting point, but I had to start. So after making those two videos and opening up like that, I came to realize that, wow, I can make a lot more out of my YouTube channel. That's where I started to understand the endless benefit of having a YouTube channel. The main reason why I started my YouTube channel is because I found in it a strong sense of focus and a strong sense of commitment. When you start putting yourself out there and claiming that you are doing certain thing, somehow you start applying it more in your life. Like, you start believing it more, you start walking more by what you say. Anyway, for me at least. So when I make a video and I say to you guys that I want the 2020 free from negativity, somehow I feel like I need to just not say the words but actually walk the walk. Since I started my YouTube channel, I feel like I'm more focused. I feel like I'm more driven to do certain thing and to stick by what I'm saying that I'm going to do. I feel like I like the fact that when I say something like I want a 2020 free from negativity, I feel more inclined to do things that I have to do in order to actually achieve that, because I feel like I want to come back and say to you guys that, look, I did it and here is the result. I actually did, or look, I did it but it didn't work because of this or that. So once I understood the benefit of having a YouTube channel, I couldn't believe how much I missed out, you know, on growing my business, on using this free platform to actually grow my business. I follow Jennifer Lopez on Instagram, and she was promoting her YouTube channel, and I was like, why does she need that? I don't understand why she's promoting her. She's Jennifer Lopez. Like, she doesn't need to promote her YouTube channel. But yeah, she does. She is an entrepreneur, and she understood that as an entrepreneur it's very important to have an interactive community, that place where people are happy to interact with you beyond the art that you make. So there are tons of reasons why doing a YouTube channel is just fantastic. So if you're thinking of starting a YouTube channel, I cannot tell you enough how important it is to go and start it now. Go do it. I didn't start my YouTube channel earlier because I kept saying, I'm not sure if I want to share my life. I am not sure if I want to let people that close to me. I am not sure if I'm going to be comfortable. I'm not sure if I could deal with the awkwardness. I am not sure this. I am not sure that. There were always a reason for me to not make videos. When I started, I was camera shy, I was awkward. I'm still, don't get me wrong, but I've improved a lot, which is fantastic. So just be yourself. I am behind you like boop, 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 go, go, go. But I have one thing to tell you. It is not easy as you think. If you're able to do a work and not see the result but keep doing it, then YouTube is for you. You have to be patient when you want to start a YouTube channel. You have to be consistent even when you don't see the result. You have to keep going, and put in mind that the magic of YouTube is in the time and the consistency that you put into it. Another thing that I would suggest you is to learn the basic of YouTube algorithm. Learn how YouTube works so you can post your video in a way that will give you more chances to be viewed by people. So that is a very crucial thing. My advice to you is just crack on. Decide on your niche. What is it that you are good at? Think of that and just crack on. You don't need a fancy camera, you don't need a studio, you don't need anything fancy. My first videos, I shoot them with my phone. If you have a smartphone that can take pictures and videos, put it in front of your window or whatever, take videos and post it online. You never know what you are going to create from there. I just want to point out a couple of things. The first thing is that please don't compare yourself to anybody. When you look at all these channels who have like hundreds of thousands of followers and views and all that, it's so easy to get intimidated by them. But what I would say is that don't look at it. Remember that they once had no followers, and don't feel intimidated. Don't be scared. Just do it for fun. That's it for me for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I will see you in another video.